morning, guys. Good morning, garden. So instead of spring and blossoms and flowers, we have snow as you can see. And I was thinking, what can I do on a beautiful sunny and snowy day like today? And then it hit me. I forgot to trim the butterfly bushes this year. Now I have 5 bushes in the garden, 4 different varieties. I have a burgundy one. The variety is named Burgundy. I also have a blue one I can't remember the name of and I can't find it anywhere, so I have no idea. But the flowers are really nice and have a really nice fragrance. I also have a black knight. This one has purple flowers with an orange center. And 2 named Pink Delight with big pink flowers. I planted these 2 years ago, and last year when I cut them back, the blue one was really small and sad compared to the other ones. So I decided not to trim it, and it was not necessarily a good idea because the leaves and the flowers were really small on that one, and also the branches were really small and without life. So this year no exceptions, everybody gets a good trim. Butterfly bushes grow a lot in a season, usually they grow fast. These, for example, have been severely trimmed last year, so almost all the growth you can see on them are from last year. They usually bloom starting with July on new wood, so trimming them now won't prevent them from flowering. They usually bloom at the end of the branches, so if you want to reach and smell the flowers, given that it grows a lot in a year, it is advised to cut them back in the spring almost to the ground, otherwise they can get pretty tall. Okay, I am done. It looks really nice and tidy, but in the same time it is really empty, so the next plan is to look for some flowers.
I need to find some plants that are flowering now until July.
If you like this video, make sure to let me know in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!